I made the decision to get behind the wheel and ended up getting pulled over for that. There's no accidents, nobody was harmed, and having to deal with those consequences. I think the biggest thing is I was worried about how it was going to impact my future career, and so moving forward, job applications and anything like that, just didn't want this following me.
When someone calls us with a traffic offense, one of the things that they're most worried about is, am I going to lose my driver's license? In Colorado, we have a point system, and people are often freaked out about how many points they have. And is that going to cause me to lose my license? At the Bussey Law Firm, we have the experience necessary to look at your driving record and to think about potential defenses and how we can get rid of the points that you're facing. Mistakes that people make when they are charged with traffic offenses is to just mail back the ticket or plead guilty right away. But that fine can turn into hefty insurance premiums, and that fine can turn into points that could cause you to lose your driver's license.
So Tim stepped in and advocated for me in a way that I would have never been able to advocate for myself. And on top of that, found some loopholes that I think that other lawyers who we had talked to or consulted had never even thought of. And put in the time and effort to find the details that mattered and ultimately used those to get us a really good outcome. I think from the get-go, there was no judgment. And even from the initial intake process of, hey, let me ask you questions about your history and all of that, to getting my blood report and just no judgment ever from him. Just, hey, I'm on your side, I'm advocating for you.
When you're charged with a traffic offense, you often think, why would I hire an attorney? One of the answers right away is that it saves you time, energy, and effort. We go to court for you, we fight for you, we keep you in the loop. A lot of times we can make the court appearances without your presence. That alone is the peace of mind that you get when you hire an attorney on a traffic ticket.
Tim did a great job of not only keeping me up to date on what was going on, but if my parents had questions, he was always willing to let them call and explain things to them as well. Would meet with them after court hearings and things like that, and even just re-explain exactly what he had spent 20 minutes telling me. And his paralegals at the front and all of his staff have just been super, super supportive and helpful.
You save money by hiring an attorney on a traffic offense by knocking off the points that would potentially go on your record that may cause you to lose your traffic or driver's license. You also save money when you hire an attorney because if you don't get convicted or if you get less points on your record, it may impact the amount of your insurance premium every month.